Right guys, so I'm just going to do the first question for you that I've given you. Even though it is simpler than some of the other questions, it just looks a bit more difficult. So it's 2 over, is it 3 minus 2i? Right, so we only have a single number on top, so that's going to make our multiplying out a little bit easier. We don't have to do 2 double brackets, we only have to do 1. So again, we do 2 over 3 minus 2i, and we take the conjugate of 3 minus 2i, which is 3 plus 2i, and again 3 plus 2i there. So just by doing that, you're already up on a quarter, maybe a 30 mark, so somewhere about 25–30% there. And then I'm just going to put it in brackets to make life easier, so it's going to be 2 bracket 3 plus 2i all over 3 minus 2i on 3 plus 2i. Again, what I need to do here is I need to sort out what I'm multiplying by what. So I'm going to multiply 2 times this, so that's not going to be much. I won't even bother drawing out a grid for that. And then I'll draw out double brackets for this. So the first one is 2 on 3 plus 2i. Well, I can do 2 times 3 gives me 6. And I can do 2 times 2i gives me 4i. And that's going to replace the top. I'll put that in green there. Then I'm going to do the bottom brackets here. Now the bottom brackets here are a little bit more tricky. So I'm going to draw out a grid. So I'll do that in red again. And I'm going to put in 3 minus 2i. I'll put in 3 plus 2i. 3 by 3 is 9. 3 by minus 2i gives me minus 6i. 2 by 3 gives me 6i. And 2 by minus 2 gives me minus 4i squared, because I by I gives me I squared. Again, I'm going to know them right here because I know these are going to cancel. So I'm going to do 9 plus 6i minus 6i minus 4i squared. They're gone. And I'm going to be left with 9 minus 4i squared. And if I put that in green here so we can see where we're going to use it next. Then, finally, I put the top over the bottom. I go 6 plus 4i all over 9 minus 4i squared. But I know that I squared is equal to minus 1. So I squared is equal to minus 1. And anywhere I have an I squared, I can still be minus 1, which is just here in this case. So I'm going to be left with 6 plus 4i all over 9 minus 4 times minus 1. So 6 plus 4i can't change. So it's going to be 6 plus 4i, but the bottom does. 9 minus 4 by minus 1. Them two minuses give me a plus, so it's going to be 9 plus 4. So we're going to have 6 plus 4i all over 13. Right, now, that can be separated. So, or you could have an answer of 6 over 13 plus 4i over 13. Or you could even have the I here. Okay, so that's the exact same. So, again, it's less multiplying out than the last one, the same process, but I think it might look a bit more difficult because the example didn't have just a single number on top. So the important thing is just get the conjugate right.